Welcome to Osmeña Channel. Naririto tayo ngayon mga kaguro sa isa na namang serye ng Project Osme, online-offline support for modern education. Ako nga pala si Teacher Malu from the Faculty of Mathematics ang makakasama nyo sa episode na ito at magbabahagi sa inyo ng kaalaman tungkol sa Discord application. Ito ay isang communication application na makakatugon sa inyong pangangailangan sa epektibong pagtuturo sa online or modular class. Ready na ba kayo? Simulan na natin! Have you ever experienced retrieving a message, a photo, a link, or a file from an old conversation, and you're having a hard time recalling that right keyword just for you to locate that specific conversation? It's quite annoying, isn't it? Especially if it took you so long just to get back on that message. If only we could organize the message ahead of time the way we would like it to be, then maybe retrieving of files will not stress you at all. In that case, you might want to consider using Discord application. Discord is a platform that allows people to form small communities. It's a communication app that allows you to chat, hold video conferences, and share files with others. Currently, I'm using Discord for my advisory class, and I must say, it has features that you look in a communication application. Later, we'll discuss more of its elements, so you better stay tuned. You can launch Discord in 3 ways: using mobile application, desktop application, or directly in your web browser. However, for this episode, we will focus using Discord in mobile application. Discord is available in iOS and Android. Let's start by downloading Discord application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account by entering your phone number or email address. A verification code will be sent to the mobile number or to the email address you used to register. Confirm your account by typing in the code. Then, set up your username and password. In addition, you will be asked to enter your birth date and click Create an account. You can also create your own server or join in one of the community servers. All you have to do is to click the plus icon on the left side and add server. If you click Join a friend on Discord, you must have the invite. You can click or paste the link that was sent to you. While creating your own server, you have 2 options: create my own or start from a template. We'll use a template because it will greatly speed up the permission that we will be using for this server. Let us choose study group and for me and my friends. You can customize the name of the server and upload an icon by clicking the plus button. This will make your server more organized. Then simply tap Create Server and you will be given a shareable link that will expire in 7 days. If you don't want the link to expire, go to the setting icon and set it to no limit or a different duration. You could also limit the number of times the link can be used. It refers to how many people the invitation can accommodate. Then, press Create Link. But I advise to share your link after we have established the proper setting of the server for security purposes. When you use the mobile app, Discord is partitioned into 3 sections. The first section displays the direct message icon and the list of people whom you interact with in Discord. It also displays all the servers you have. When a server is selected, it will show you all its categories and channels. Let's say I'd like to leave a message in one of the channels. In this case, in off-topic channel. To do that, you can simply tap the channel off-topic. Then, you will be directed to the second section of Discord, the channel view. You can go back to the previous interface by sliding your screen to the left. You can also visit other sections by sliding your screen left or right. Now, you can begin leaving your messages or files here. Here are some of the text styles that you can use in creating your chat more expressive. If you want your text be bolded, you have to begin and end it with 2 asterisks. For italic, start with 1 asterisk and end with another asterisk. If you want an underlined word, enclose it with 2 underscore symbols. Then see how it goes when you tap the send button.
Great! Another swipe to the right will reveal the names of the members who are in the active server. Return to your preferred interface by swiping right or left. Let's go back to the server we just made.
As you can see, it's pre-populated with number of channels and categories. That's because we use a template. Otherwise, you will be given basic channels, such as text and voice channels. And then, you'll just have to add or create additional categories and channels based on your preferences. Before sharing this server to anyone else, let's dive into the setting of our server.
You'll see the 3 vertical dots at the upper right corner of your screen next to the server's name. Click on it, choose Setting. All permissions of our server can be set up here. The overview gives you the name of the server and the icon you have uploaded. Let's go back and see what's in the Moderation tab. To secure your server, make sure to at least choose Low so that all the users joining in your server must have a verified email address. Scroll down. You'll see the settings about content filter. You can adjust this based on your preferences. Read all the descriptions, it will help you a lot. Now, let's proceed in the audit log setting. The audit log provides us with a complete picture of what has occurred. As a result, we can keep track of all the changes made by the other people with permission. I leave you with the other settings to explore because I'll be moving forward to the Roles tab.
As an advisor, this is one of the features of Discord that I find useful. It's the process of assigning different roles to the members of your server. You can define roles based on your preferences. For my advisory class, I made different roles such as student, parent guardian, subject teacher, or you can even add class officer if you want to. It all depends on you.
Let's try by creating a role. Tap the plus button below. Let's name this as Class Officer. We can assign specific color to highlight this role. Then, we can now change the permission. What can this type of role allow to do on the server? Display role members separately from online members? Yes. Allow anyone to mention this role? Yes. View channels? Yes. Manage channel? No, because we don't want this role to create, edit, nor delete channels on our server. Next, manage roles, not necessary. Manage emojis and stickers, no need. View audit log, no. Manage webhooks, no. Manage server, I don't think so. Create invite, maybe I'll leave that task to me as the advisor to secure my server. But if you want them to, you can take this permission. Change nicknames and manage nicknames, yes. It will be very helpful for the advisor if the officers will do that. Kick members and ban members, no. I'll be the one as the advisor who will do that. For text channels permission, I'll just allow them to send messages, embed links, attach files, mention members, read message history, while for the voice channels, connect members to join voice channels, allow members to share video or screen share, priority speaker, mute members, move members, and allow requests to speak. You can read all the descriptions on each permission so that you'll be able to decide which permission you would like to allow for that particular role. If you're done, don't forget to tap the Save button here. We can now go back and see the other options. In the Members tab, you can see all your members of your server and assigned roles. To do so, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the member's name and assign the role. You can also change their nicknames. And don't forget to save.
I usually rename the members of my server for my advisory class using the format surname, given name. If the parent and student have the same surname, I follow the same format, surname, given name. Otherwise, I will write the surname first of the student, then followed by their name, like this, so that the name of the student and the parent guardian will be next to each other when arranged alphabetically in the members list. This will help you as an advisor to see immediately whose kid has no parent or guardian joined in your server. Let's explore the Invite tab.
You can see all your server's invitation in the invite setting. As a result, it truly keeps your community safe.
If other members of your server unintentionally create an invite link, you as an admin can delete the link.
That's by clicking on the three dots across the member's name who created the invite, then choose Revoke. Going back to the setting, you can now see the list of banned user from your Discord server. You can delete your server by clicking on the three dots at the upper right corner across the server setting. But of course, we will not do that in this server.
All set? Now let's proceed organizing our Discord server. That's by creating categories and channels.
Go to the three dots across the server's name, select Create Category. Name your category.
If you select a private category, you must specify which role have access. Let's keep it public. It means that everyone in my server will have access on it.
Then, tap the check icon above to save. You can delete your categories and channels on the Channels tab. This can be found on the setting of your server. I can now add a new channel within that category. If you would like to add channels in other category, just tap the plus icon next to the category's name. Rename the channel. Let's start with a text channel. In text channel, they can communicate with other members by sending messages, files, photos, and among other things. Click the check icon above to save. Let's add another channel, but this time a voice channel. A voice channel is almost the same as Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or calls in Messenger. Click the check icon above to save. When you click the voice channel, your voice will be heard through that voice channel, and your name will appear under the active voice channel. You can also use video and share your screen.
Let's say you're done in the voice channel and you want to disconnect. Make sure to click that end button. Otherwise, you will be heard on hot mic. Can I restrict members in sending messages in a particular channel? Yes, you can. As the owner of the server, you can set permission in each channel. How?
Swipe to the right, then select Setting. Go to Permission. Choose a role or member. Then set up the permission allowed for that specific role or member. Then click Save. Now, let's create an invite by clicking the Invite Members. It's written under the name of your server. You'll see the list of people that you have been interacted with in Discord. In addition to that, you can send them the link by clicking Share Link. Then paste it to any platform you use to inform the other person. If you want to modify the setting of your link, just click the gear button, then share the new link.
This brings us to the privacy aspect of Discord. To prevent student, parent, teacher, and other users engaging from inappropriate content in Discord, we can advise them to do the following.
On the first section of the Discord interface, you'll see at the lower right corner of your phone screen the icon containing your picture if you have set it up, or the Discord icon if you don't have the picture yet. Click on that, then go to Privacy and Safety. Advise them to choose Keep Me Safe. That will make all messages be automatically scanned. When you choose My Friends Are Nice, it will scan everything external. But if they are on your friends list, it will not scan those messages. Other option is the Do Not Scan. This means every message can arrive in your inbox without being scanned for explicit content.
So I would suggest that you leave it at the Keep Me Safe mode. You can read the other settings and decide whether you need it for your account. All this makes Discord a powerful tool that can help teachers, students, and other stakeholders to communicate well without compromising their safety and security. That's it! Congratulations mga kaguro! Narating mo na ang huling bahagi ng ating serye. Para magkaroon ng kaganapan ang inyong pagkatuto, huwag kalimutang sagutan ang kalakip na journal at evaluation form. Tandaan, dito sa Osmeña, ikaw ang bida.